In much the same way as written language is made meaningful through the grouping of sentences and paragraphs, melody is grouped into convenient and meaningful units or sections. A motive or motif is a short, recurring figure that appears throughout a composition or section of music. It is considered to be a germinating cell or organic unit that unifies a larger expanse of music. Distinctive melodic or rhythmic patterns form the underlying structure of motif. A melodic motif is a repeated pitch pattern. It usually recurs accompanied by the same or similar rhythmic patterns. Let's listen to Shahrzad by Rimsky-Korsakov, Opus 35. Learn through this music about motif and repeated motif in this music. Another example is Gruyère Suivez l'amour from Dandros by composer named Rameau, Act 1. Again, we can listen to the motifs and repeated motifs in this music. For melodic motifs is Concerto Ross by Lalo, Opus 29, that we can listen to repeated motif in this music again.